Hi guys, welcome back to crafting. Now what are we going to make?
We're gonna make a fish.
Yes,
Fish.
it swims in the water like a fish.
Fish has to swim like a fish only.
That's a funny joke.
Okay, so what we're gonna do first? We don't need this at this point, so we'll just keep it aside.
Yep.
And we will make a square. So we need square. The paper has to be square.
Origami loves square, points and creases.
Creases.
And one more, it should be
Symmetric.
yes.
Okay, in order to make square,
You have to
We will
fold
take-
a triangle like this.
yes.
Done. Now you will take this part and fold it like this.
Yes. And we'll just fold it, cut it off, and this becomes square.
Yes, we'll fold it like this and
Okay.
then put on nails. But if you don't want to use nails, you can use scale like how my father will do now.
Yeah, I love scale. And you can ask elders to cut it for you with scissors as well if you
Yes, if you don't like hand, look how my father is doing with scale.
Okay, just to make a crease. I love that way. Other side, I just have to like this. Easy. One more.
Me too.
And last time here. So making so many creases so it becomes easier to cut it off. I'll just open it. Make a small cut like this. And then keep it this way. Pull it. Slowly, nicely, gently. Done.
Mine didn't come out that perfect. This little thing.
That's okay. That is okay. Just hold it in hand and then you can. I'll help you. Just pull it out.
Now we don't need this part that you just cut out.
So
You
just
can keep that aside.
okay. So we will fold it in half like this.
Of course. And one day I had made a fish. I had an origami, like I had an art class, and one day I had made a fish.
Okay. I also made a fish one time, but I ate a fish. Oops. That was not origami fish.
No, you don't eat chicken.
Okay, yeah, but chicken is okay, but origami fish we cannot eat, isn't it?
Why will you eat paper like?
Okay. Okay. We'll put
Why
like
will you
this.
eat paper?
Open it up. The idea of
Open
this
it up.
to make the pointer here, so we'll make like
It's
this.
like how you're making an aeroplane.
Okay, with a square, of course,
Yeah.
and try to make it.
That's
pointer
weird.
here.
How will you make an aeroplane with a square paper?
By the way, have you seen an aeroplane episode? Please go back and find our aeroplane episode that we have made. It actually flies.
Yeah. Now,
Okay, I am almost done. Oh, it did not come perfect. I love perfection. Oh, it did not come perfect.
because I didn't want to.
Oh my love. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is this one, make it half till here.
This is just a crease, I think.
So just make sure that it is proper.
I think this is just a crease.
Yeah, sometimes we need to do like that.
So it
sometimes-
becomes easier on through making on our way.
Yes.
Done. Now we open it.
Okay. Okay, so next week what we're gonna do is See, we've got like this, and back side it's like this, right? So we will fold it from here, this thing, halfway basically, till here to make the crease.
All the way to the edge. Sorry, little hiccups.
See, from the back side it looks like this.
Just a second. Yeah.
Okay, let's flip it over. Right?
Yes.
Flip it like this. So the opening part comes here. And this thing pointer comes down. So basically like this. Okay? So you can see this crease we have.
Yes.
So what we're going to do here, we push this inside. This thing, let's make it from here also, from the other side also, so it's easier. Let's make 2 creases so that it becomes easier.
It's like again making an aeroplane.
Yeah.
But in a tinier square.
And
And thicker paper.
And we will push this, you can see this thing, we will push this inside. Inside here, inside here, inside like this.
Like we open it and do this.
Okay. So, should be straight. Okay, it's going a little weird for me. Why, I don't know. Ah, the pointer is moving outside, that is why it's going weird. See? That's why it is important to have proper points.
Done is like this.
Oh yes, yours came perfect. Mine went a little weird.
It's okay. It's just a matter of practice.
Oh yes, I need to learn from you.
Yes, learn. It's like this and this and this.
Yes, thank you. I think I am done like this, more or less, more or less, more or less. What is that? From back side it looks like this, from front side it looks like this.
Am I going correct?
Yes, I think you're going correct.
No, this thing is not in proper.
Mine also went a little weird, but yeah, it's kind of okay.
We're making first time. First or second time. I'm making second time. I don't know about you.
Yeah, I made it earlier so many times, but now, okay. Let's see. Okay, you're done?
Mine is going weird.
It's okay, no problem. Let's see from the back side how it looks. Ah, that's the issue. Let's.
Whole thing like this.
Okay, can I try to help you with this? Let's try. See. This thing went around. Should be on this side. So when I put it in here till here, crease should be till here.
I should have made it little sharp. This side came perfect, but this side didn't come.
Now I think it's fine. Yeah, I think it's okay. Back side it should be proper square, as you can see. You already have it. Okay? Let's flip it here. Done? This part you can see. Just pull it down.
Half?
Try to make this align, the line, align, the line, align, the line, align, the line.
A giant, the mime.
Is it a lion? Right? No, it's not the lion.
Is it the rhyme? The last few steps, I think.
Yes, we are very close. So what we're gonna do here, this thing you can see, we'll make it inside.
like this.
Yeah.
Align the line.
Hmm.
You're aligning the line.
Yes, it did not come perfect because earlier it was our initial that step did not come perfect. So that is why it is little not pointed here.
Of my door.
That's okay. Sometimes it happens.
To the edge or
Like this. It should come. It should look like this.
like this?
No, I think. How did you fold? What happened?
I folded like this.
No, you went it inside. You have to make it outside.
Oh. I'm a little funny sometimes.
Yeah, try to make it align, if possible. Otherwise, it's okay. Try to make some pointers here, both the sides.
Align the line. I like that. Oh.
That's fine. That's fine. It's okay. It's okay.
Upside
Because
down.
that's the back side already. So we have
Wait,
it like
I can
this.
make it perfect.
Hey, if we use a glue stick, we can stick it. I will show you what will happen now. Yeah.
I made it little perfect.
So, and we flip it back side, and you can see this is our fish.
Now we'll draw the eye.
We'll draw the eye, and from back side, if you want, you can stick it with a glue stick.
So it doesn't come out.
Yes. So let's make it eyes. It's eyes. Let's see. My fish has got a big one. I like this. More. Bigger one.
Papa.
Yes, it's interesting.
From both sides. No. Just kidding. Not from both sides.
Okay, so this is my fish eye. We can have a different kind of eye also here. Or we can make some like this, so it will give you a indication if it's a fin or something. And you can draw something here. You can draw some fins here if you want.
Nose.
Yeah, it's a wonderful idea actually. I like it. Maybe I can make some fins like this here.
Oh, that's a good idea.
And maybe we can make some fins here if I want. Say like here. I don't know if it will look nice or no. So this is our fish. And we can, I can stick it in one of my projects because I had to write an essay on aquarium. So I thought I will make a fish and stick it there and write about it. Interesting, your fish is laughing.
I got a nose.
Hey, let's play with the fish.
Swim.
Swim. Yo,
Oh
yo,
no,
yo.
we crashed.
Oh. Hey, we're making friendship. Okay.
Yay. Now let's go play on the slide.
So hope you like the video and our fishes.
Yes. If you like the video, press the like button, subscribe and
Enjoy and keep on watching.
yes.
See you next time.
Bye.